guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching. Today I'm doing my first vlog and I'm so excited. It's like 11:50. Nope, 11:56. Right now I'm actually getting ready. I'm in my PJ still because I had to do laundry because we're going to the Y. We just got a Y membership, so we're gonna go like do the rock climbing wall and all that. So you guys are gonna come along. Right now I'm just doing my makeup and here's like my cute little makeup bag I got for Christmas. I'm back. I got my makeup done. So I actually took my nail polish remover off, and if you guys are wondering, I used Zoya. Oops, that was the back. Woohoo! Zoya nail polish is awesome because there's not like harsh chemicals or anything in it. Also, I use the nail polish and stuff. Like this really pretty pink. It's called Kit Ridge. I love this one. So yeah. You guys actually tried Zoya out? I'd like to know if you guys haven't tried this one before. So it's actually quite like thin. I don't know if you can tell, but it's quite thin. But I'm just gonna paint my nails really quick, and I should probably check and see if my clothes are done in the dryer. So yeah, sorry if it's like loud in the background. Dad's making some music. And you should follow him, Strobin on Instagram at STROBIN. And then also, you guys should definitely check out my Instagram and see what I do every day. And I post almost every day, and I do stories. And we're back. It is now 1:13, and the outfit of the day is some black leggings I think I got from Marshall's, and the shirt I got from H&M, and some shoes from Target, and a hair in a ponytail. So yeah, and now I can actually show you guys what I bring to the Y. I bring my tennis shoes and like a lock for the locker. This is my bathing suit because I think we're going swimming, and of course my camera case because you guys are going to be coming with me. This. Oh, and do you guys like kombucha? I love it. Comment down below if you guys drink it. You guys are gonna come to the Y, like I said. We're gonna do the rock climbing wall. We're gonna swim and work out. So see if I can bring you guys mostly everywhere. Just have to see. And also we have a friend coming with us today, so that will be fun. So see you guys in a bit. Wait in line. There's no food.
We gotta make a video of that.
Hello. Oh, my knees. Oh!
I need to be quiet because you're right.
What's it?
There's a duck in here.
Quack. Yeah.
It's like the one at Aldi. Oh my gosh, it's cute.
We're going to the climbing wall, right? Yeah. Is this the third floor?
Third floor.
Oh, whoa. Are we gonna die? Oh my word.
Alright.
So she said it was kind of behind this stuff. Are we ready to rock climb?
We're ready.
We're ready. We're ready. Oh, we're going on. I think we're gonna try to do this one. Sorry, it's really loud in here if you can't hear us. But boom. We ready. We ready. We signed up. We're good. Woo!
You're so yes! You did it! Do it? Oh. Yeah. You did it! Grab the rope, Sophie. She touched it. She did it. How do you feel?
My fingers hurt really bad.
How do you feel?
I can't feel my hands.
Yeah, get that. Yeah, there you go. Yes.
One more step.
Come on, Eva. Hit it. Touch the little smiley.
You got it. Stand up.
Grab it. You're almost there.
Just stand up and you got it.
Are you supposed to go on top of it?
Woo!
Touch it.
Yes! You did it!
Yeah.
Nice, Eve.
Woo!
Plus.
There
There you go. Nice job. You did it in 40 seconds. Nice. You did it. Here, I'll go faster too. Nice. Okay, I just got done with running the treadmill on the track, and now we're gonna film a little clip for my YouTube video. And we had to take a swim test to go in a 5-foot area. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're singing over there. Oh, Dad's like, oh, it's Brian. Oh man, swimming, there's a water slide. It was so much fun though. My hands, I couldn't feel them when I was done doing that climbing wall. Literally, they were numb. That was terrible.
Look at cool hair.
Full hair.
Yes, gotta love it.
Put mine in a ponytail.
See, that's the way to go. That's the way to go.
Ponytail. We got our bags. YMCA.
Like get
Fruit snacks because we're really hungry.
Yep.
If you guys like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I am so happy that I could do a vlog today. I love doing them. So if you guys want me to do more of them, please comment down below letting me know. And also, my face is so dry. I need to put like lotion on it. But anyways, love you guys. Bye.
What?